Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon everyone. Filming here from New South Wales. For today's video guys, I just want to show you what we have here. Mga damo-damo lang nila to guys, but I'm letting you know how beautiful it is. Share it with you guys. So ang ganda-ganda po, diba? So yes, I don't know the name of these white flowers, but it's just so beautiful to look at. See that guys? Ang ganda-ganda po, diba? So for today's video, let us try to check what are those plants that are available here, or any bushes or grasses na namumulaklak siya guys, like that. Another grass with flower here guys, as you can see. I believe they call it dandelion. Yes, dandelion. So, damo-damo lang siya guys. So, I'm not sure kung anong tawag niya in Tagalog. So, that's another beautiful flower. And more from here. Ayan po siya. Oh. White spiky. And what else? Let's try to see guys. Ayan. Violet na maliliit naman. Oh, ang daming lamok. Oh, there's another one here. Yellow. Another yellow color. There's plenty here guys. As you can see. Even the grasses here are healthy guys, just so you know. Australia's land, I could say, is healthy. Kasi anything, even grass, kahit damo lang yan, mulaklak yan. Kasi healthy siya. All like that. And this one, another yellow, plenty of yellow, another yellow. Imagine guys, I've been walking here. This is my marathon area. Most of the time I do my running and walking here in on this paddock. So yes guys, now I want to sit because I want to show you a separate plant. This one guys. There. And that one guys, so super ganda. Just so beautiful ay. Ito nyo guys, ganda na. Just so pretty. Ganda na guys. Just look at the beauty of this. So white flowers, and I do believe those are succulents. And now technically we enter the spring season, which is happening after winter, and then starts of September 1 is the spring season. So yes guys, over here there's another set of or varieties of grasses that has plenty of flowers like this one. Ganda na naman, oh. So pretty. Ganda na, guys. Damo lang siya pero beautiful. There. And there's another one here, guys. Ayan. Different. Pati yung mga ano nila, I don't know. Pero sabi nila today, September, start of spring, this is the hay fever season. So basically, if you have like allergic rhinitis or pollen, ganon, allergic into pollen like me, you will start to feeling like having allergy attack, sneezing and all that. It happened to me a few days ago. For now, I'm okay na rin po. I just have to take allergy tablet, anti-allergy tablet. Maganda ng ano nila talaga dito, guys, mga damo-damo, may mga halaman, may mga bulaklak. Yes. And one more. Ayan o, guys, look. See? See? Ang ganda, diba? Okay, spot pa tayo ng another beauty from within. Ganda, no? Natatapak-tapakan at nagugulong-gulungan na yan eh, pero ganda pa rin. Dito naman po ako sa aming backyard, guys. Siyempre, in our paddock, flowers from the grasses, super beautiful. Para siyang ano, sunflower na mini. Ang liit. Oh, wala siyang dahon, nasa baba yung ano niya. Ayan, ayan. So, ayan yung bulaklak, and this is the mommy, the mother plant. And then, I found one here. Oh, this is grasses, boss. Ano yan, paragis. Baka paragis yun siya, guys. What else? What else do we have here? Looking. So yes, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Pretty. And this one looks like mani-mani, but very tiny flowers. Very tiny. Sure. Yun po naman sa aming kapitbahay, guys, yun yellow yung tree. Tas doon naman sa may bubungan nun kapitbahay doon is parang cherry blossom na white. So that's the end of my video today, guys. Mukhang succulent na damo, oh, pero grabe, ito ano ba yan? Damo lang yan, pero ang ganda ng daon, no? Ayoko yung anuhin kasi baka matinik, spiky. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Kindly hit the like button, please, and don't skip ads. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.